feeling the effects of masculinity right now. I feel the testosterone. I want to go to war! I want a lightsaber! I'm a man! War! War! Girl, I'm so nice. Girl, I wish a girl would love me. I'm so nice. Oh my god, if a girl ever loved me, that'd be kind of cool. By the way, I'm so strong. Look how much weight I lift. And girls make me cry. I'm emotionally vulnerable. Any girls want me? Probably not. Probably, but girls are just a bunch of sluts. Sick content, Chief. Sick. So if it's a word, it's like a ghost.
What ghosts be saying? What's their favorite word?
They're just asking where the hoe's at most of the time. Like, why is it always dude ghost hunters? Which, by the way, why is it always dude ghost hunters?
Because we're the only ones dumb enough to do something like this.
Well,
girls have better sense.
The world should be a matriarchy.
On God.
I don't give a fuck! I think I'm gonna sing a song to the demon.
Oh my God.
And let it know that we're welcoming it.
Oh my God.
So in my opinion, a droning tone is kind of what ghosts are into. Demon possess Benjo.
Hey yo!
Demon of the tree. If I had some water that was blessed by the Pope, I'd kill you. What you gonna do? I think we've antagonized it in the
Bro, poking bears.
Don't clip that. I thought I was gonna die. Like in real life, that was my reaction if I'm about to die. Because that was me thinking I was gonna die. Now let's go fuck with this demon. I just heard I hear you.
Oh my God.
Silence is the same as rejection. Do you support gay rights?
Well,
I'm not liking the silence.
Rolling.
Imagine I never moved again.
Mitch McConnell type beat.
Mitch McConnell, bro, really is a demon. Hey, the real Demon's Road, isn't that Congress? Is the crotch of that tree squirting right now? Get a close up of that, it's squirting.
Oh wait, no it is. No. It is kind of wet. Me when I spite. Nah, cool.
That's demonic.
Now this man just eating demon semen.
She looks in her early 30s, which is young and beautiful, okay? By the way, 33, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I am ready for her to get demolished, and I'm telling you, this is when I start to get excited about the button. I don't give a fuck! that's great. Let me just go DM this person because this sucks. Like, life sucks. It's okay to be going through a mood like that and to be feeling feelings. Like, feelings are okay and valid to be felt. Logically, what do you mean by devil person? What do you mean by that? But I love you so much, and I want you to watch this video so badly. Please watch the rest of this video, please. How old are you? Tell me how old you are. I want to know how many years you've been on this earth and how much darkness you've seen. I want to know if you've seen the light or if I can be the one to show you the darkness. I'm 24. Oh. Sick as hell. One punch for glory, 2 punches for love. I just feel like this theatrical energy of joy and just, comeuppance. This is what I was talking about. This is why we're here. This is why. What an awkward little dancey-do situation right there. That was like an action scene. That was like out of a movie. So do I give you cute or sexy vibes? God, a little bit of both. I think you're beautiful. Can we get like a 420 version of the button where everybody just like the button is a bong? Oh my God, my pitch to the cup right now. The button, bong edition. And in order to hit the button, you have to hit it and then you gotta like, it's also taking a fat rip. I know the motion doesn't look like that, but that's my pitch. But then, the undercurrent of stoner love. I love that it ended like that. That's so awesome. They're the perfect people to end it. I love you very much. Please subscribe, weirdos. Also, if we're looking at the messages on a human level, not from a social media Gen Z brain type of perspective, on an actual empathetic human level, she is only expressing how she was hurt. Hey, how about we stop calling women crazy when they express their feelings in respectful ways? I don't give a Don't clip that. God, that's embarrassing. By the way, so grateful for all of you guys for subscribing and watching all these videos and commenting. It feels like there's a community that's growing, and I genuinely, it's a dream come true, and I don't say it enough, but I love you. But weirdos, keep the emotions away.
Danny Gonzalez is pregnant now? I didn't even know he could do that. It's 2023 and Danny Gonzalez has had unprotected sex? I don't know what's going on.
Makes me uncomfortable, makes me icky, makes me feel gross, and I don't like that. I don't want to feel gross. It actually feels uncomfortable. Get off! I just want to say real quick, if anybody's ever said that you were homies with feelings when asked, what are we? That person needs to leave your life in the next 3 seconds. Okay, text them that you're done, text them, right? Text them. No, we're just homies with feelings, man. I just want to use them for whatever I want. And then while they're attached, I'm gonna just push them aside and then make them feel so depressed.
We were together, we were. Well, literally, I told you that we were just friends. I
don't give a fuck! I'm going hog wild. We're kissing kissing and we're in love with each other. You better love me if you're doing that shit. Watch it chunk by chunk. Sorry, this video is a little bit more serious. I'm not making as many silly little jokes. So before we get into this one, little ocarina break. You better love me if you're doing that shit. I love you very much. Please subscribe, weirdos.